In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register draft fixed assets in Xero for depreciation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move an asset from draft to registered, so Xero can start calculating depreciation for your books. First, open your Xero organization and head to the main navigation. From the top menu, go to the accounting section. This is where you'll find the tools that affect your general ledger, including your fixed asset register. If you don't see what I'm showing, make sure you're in the right organization and that your user role has permission to manage fixed assets. Next, select Fixed Assets. This opens the Fixed Asset Register, where you'll typically see tabs such as Draft, Registered, and Disposed. Draft is where new or unconfirmed assets sit until you're ready to include them in depreciation. Registered assets are active and included in your depreciation runs. Now, locate the draft asset you want to register. You can scroll, sort by date or cost, or use the search box to find it quickly. Click the asset name to open its details. Take a moment to carefully review what's on this page. Check the purchase date and cost, confirm the asset category is correct, and make sure the depreciation method and the start date reflect your policy. Verify the asset account and accumulated depreciation account mappings, and confirm any tax settings if they appear. If you track serial numbers, locations, or attach supporting documents like invoices, this is a good time to confirm those as well. It's important to get this right, because once an asset is registered, certain financial fields become locked to protect the integrity of your depreciation and your general ledger. If everything looks accurate, scroll down the page and click Register. Xero will then move the asset from draft to registered. From this point forward, the asset will be included in depreciation calculations based on the start date and method you confirmed. You'll see it listed under the Registered tab, and it will appear in your fixed asset and depreciation reports. The actual depreciation journals will post when you run depreciation according to your normal process or schedule. If your organization runs depreciation monthly, expect the first entry to post in the next run that includes the start date. That's all there is to it. Open accounting, go to Fixed Assets, select the draft asset, review the details, and register. Double-checking those details before you click Register will save you from having to correct locked fields later. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to register draft fixed assets in Xero, so depreciation can run accurately and on time.